Good morning, friends. Today we discuss about the fundamental of chemistry. Here, in this case, uh, today's topic is the structure and bonding. Structure and how the structure and bondings is takes place in the fundamental of chemistry. The in this structure and bondings lays the foundation for the understanding of molecular structures and the type of bonds and force that holds atoms molecules together below in details. That is the key concept, deviation mechanism and examples of each topics. First is the hybridization. Definition of the hybridization is the uh, hybridization is the mixing of atomic orbitals in an atoms to form new hybrid orbitals that are equivalent uh, in energy and suitable for forming bonds in specific molecular geometries. There are types of hybridization. The first is the sp hybridization. Sp hybridization occurs when one sp, one s orbitals and one p orbital mixed hybridized to form the sp hybridization forms two linearly orientation hybrid orbitals are at the bond angle of 180 degree. For example, the beryllium dichloride is the example of the sp hybridization. Then sp2 hybridization, in this 1s and 2p orbitals mix to form the three orbitals in a trigonal planar arrangement at the bond angle is 120 degree. For example, the barium trifluoride is the example of sp2 hybridization. Then third is the sp3 hybridization type, that is the sp3 hybridization. Here in this case, the mixing and decasting of the 1s3p or hybrid orbitals hybridized to form the sp3 hybridization. Here in this case, the sp3 hybridization bond angle is 109.5 degree. This is the bond angle of the sp3 hybridization. Then sp3d hybridization. In the sp3d hybridization, the 1s3p and 1d hybrid orbitals hybridized to form sp3d hybridization, and the bond angle is trigonal bipyramidal geometry. And the example is the phosphorus pentachloride is the example of the sp3d hybridization. Then the another is the sp3d2 type. In this case, the 1s3p and 2d orbitals are hybridized to form the sp3d2 hybridization. And the example of the hybridization is the SF6, that is the sulfur hexafluoride, and the geometry of the sp3d2 hybridization is the octahedral. So this is the hybridization, definition of hybridization, and the types of hybridization, its bond angle as well as the geometry of the hybridization or the molecules.